Good day to you and thanks for joining us on Express Update. My name is Honorable Bedleni Jibia. Do stay for our stories. In our first story, the Ministry of Communications has directed the National Communications Authority to shut down 6 unauthorized broadcasting operations for failing to renew their licenses and meet statutory obligations. Now, these stations operating across various regions are now considered illegal under the Electronic Communications Act. Now, Health Minister Kwabena Mensah Akando has called for intensified public awareness on cholera prevention. He highlighted the availability of free oral vaccines in selected regions and stressed the need for good hygiene practices to curb the disease.
We've recorded cases in the Upper West region. Per my briefing, we have recorded not less than 126 cases, which about 21 or so are confirmed cases. We have recorded about 16 deaths as I speak to you. Fortunately, we have swiftly put in place mechanisms to contain the disease. We had the opportunity to move around with my strong team, the Director General, and some other experts in the ministry. We have activated the isolation center in the Wild Regional Hospital. We have called for a robust means of case management in the Wild Regional Hospital. The ambulance services have also been beefed up, and then we have also sent more antibiotics that are being used to treat the condition. As I speak to you now, WHO has also dispatched some experts to come and assist us to be able to contain the disease. Before I came to the floor of the House to brief Parliament, we also took delivery of some antibiotics from the WHO. And so we must all come together to fight any kind of outbreak. Let me assure you that per the priority areas of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, we are committed in combating any form of outbreak in this country. All we need is your cooperation so that we all fight it together.
Now, the National Union of Ghana Students has scheduled a protest on February 25, 2025 against WAEC over the cancellation and withholding of some 2024 WASSCE results. Now, the union argues that the delays are unfair and affect students' chances of tertiary education, calling for transparency and urgent reforms.
They should release all the results forthwith, within a week. Whatever investigations they are doing, they should conclude within a week, because we wrote to them as far back as January 2nd. And from January 2nd till now, it's over a month. They should have enough time to have reviewed all these results by now. They should release it within a week, failing which we are going to commence series of protests occupying their offices nationwide. And we'll make sure that we are going to make it uncomfortable for them. If they cannot do the work, they should inform the government of Ghana for the government of Ghana to look for a new examination body.
And now in the world of sports, Asante Kotoko's first team will return to training on Wednesday, February 19, after suspending all activities following the tragic stabbing of the supporter Francis Nana Pole Frimpong in Asotwe. Now the club, after consulting its medical team, has decided to resume training to support the players' physical and mental well-being. Now, the Civil and Local Government Staff Association Ghana has announced a nationwide strike commencing Thursday, February 20th, 2025, in protest against the continued tenure of Mr. Samuel Adum-Botry as acting registrar for Birth and Death Registry. In a statement dated February 18th, CLOSAC voiced its frustration over the government's failure to act on its earlier request for his removal, citing his recent participation in the budget hearing as proof as he remains in office despite their demands. With the declaration, CLOSAC has reaffirmed its stance, signaling that the strike will proceed as planned unless their concerns are being addressed.
We are resetting the local government from tomorrow, we are all laying down our tools until the government does the needful. Thank you. God bless you. Long live closer. Long live our mother Ghana. Goodbye.
And this is all we have for you on Express Updates. My name is Annabelle Beverly JBia. Do stay for the rest of our programs.